Welcome to Webtrex Software Services. In this video, I will be briefing you about the written exam that you take as a part of introducing yourself to the organization. This is very basic exam and it helps you to communicate about your skills and talents to the organization. So, all the best for your written examination. And in this video, I will be briefing you about the exam that we are going to conduct and what are the important steps that we have to follow to successfully complete and get processed to the next step. All the best to the aspirants. In order to complete the exam, there are certain requirements that you need to have. First one is you are supposed to have a laptop that is installed with MS Office or WordPad. So the exam will be conducted. It's a written kind of exam, and you are supposed to use MS Word or WordPad to complete the examination. It is also important that you should have an active internet and a web browser available on your desktop. First task of the activity is introducing about yourself. So there are certain important points you can write about. You can speak about your strengths and weaknesses. You can discuss about your family, and you can also discuss about some of the achievements you have achieved as a part of your life and certain goals you want to achieve that can also be discussed. Okay, so in addition to that, you can also explain certain situations you handled successfully. You are supposed to write in two paragraphs, and minimum words you should write is 200 words. So this is all about the first task, introducing about yourself. Second task of the activity is we are supposed to write about a technology. There are few important technologies that are mentioned here, which include Internet of Things, cloud computing, blockchain technology, and social media marketing. You are supposed to select one among these four technologies, and you will be writing about the technology. What is the technology about? You just briefly explain the technology. Then you can discuss about where these technologies will be applied. Next, you can write about the advantages and benefits of using this technology. So, and this content should be of 200 words minimum, and you'll be writing it in two paragraphs again. The third one is typing test, where you will open this link, and when you open this link, you have to agree to this and you select 2-minute test. Okay, and click on the start test. So now the test is started. It will be closing in 2 minutes. When you click any button on the keyboard, the test will start. So let us start typing it. Like this, you have to continuously type. Whatever the mistakes we make, that will be shown in red color mark. You continue with the exam and it will be finished in 2 minutes. So by typing this after 2 minutes, the exam will be completed. Just click on the show result and you can see this screenshot which speaks about total word speed, word per minute you type, and what is the accuracy and net speed of your typing test will be shown here. Take screenshot of this one. You can open a new notepad like this. Notepad, warning, so like this you will get, and you just open it and paste your screenshot here. There, this will be the third activity, right? So first activity we will be writing here about yourself. You will be writing in two paragraphs. You will be writing myself like. myself here in this time. You will be writing it in two paragraphs. Next, you will be writing about technology. Mention what you selected, maybe Internet of Things. For this task, you will be writing it on your own, need not to do any research. But about when you are doing this, just go to Google search, go to Google Chrome, with type your technology name, TECHNOL, technology of things or Internet of Things. Internet of Things technology. We get several links here. Open any one link and read about the technology. Try to understand whatever the information that is mentioned there, and in your own words, you are supposed to write it here. Okay, so you will be writing like Internet. So whatever I understood from the content, I wrote it. I haven't copying and pasting anything. Whatever I learned from reading the article, I will be writing it. Okay. So next we will be writing about advantages. For that also you can do search and you can find about it. Okay. Whatever the information identified by you, you will be representing in your own words. Make sure you write in your own words. Okay. So after completing this test, based on your typing score and whatever the information you wrote, we will be cross-checking it for plagiarism. I will show you how we do that. When you submit your information, we will be submitting to turnitin.com, which identifies whatever the information that you have mentioned. Is it took from any internet sources or not, like that? If you take any information, that will be clearly shown in the document that you wrote. Like when we submit it to the Turnitin, we can find it. Okay, you can we can find easily like whatever the information you mentioned, if it contains any plagiarism. Usually, people who write it exact information from the internet, that will be shown like this. Just cross check. So this is all written from some internet source, so it is showing in red color mark. Based on this correction, so like based on this result, your selection will be dependent. So I recommend you all to follow the instructions that are given to you and make sure you write it in a better way. So after finishing typing test, you will be writing the content, and whatever the document that you have finished, that should be emailed to this email address, nvomela.mscs.googleemail.com. Make sure you send it to the right email ID, and that's it from my side. All the best for the exam. Thank you.